I have a new suggestion from my dear friend Elena. Elena wanted me to listen one more time Alisa Supronova. Today we are gonna listen her Little Bird song performance, song cover, and this is Russian folk song. We are gonna listen it from Alisa Supronova's YouTube channel. Thank you Alisa for this video, and let's start. She's looking very cute, right? Very cute.
У зеленому саду и пташечка и пропела. Ей ты, пташки, есть гнездо, есть у ней и дети.
It is sounding rock, wow. Rock elements, okay?
Ей ты, пташки, есть гнездо, есть у ней и дети. Аминь, у сироты нет никого и на свете.
Beautiful. Beautiful. It is sounding like that. It is a modernized folk song with rock elements. It is sounding very cool, right? It must be very old song because it is writing a traditional Russian folk song, but making that modern with that rock elements. Sounding very cool. In Turkey, we are making this similar technique. We are making modern folk songs in these days, and it is sounding so cool. Those songs sounding so cool. I like this technique. Let's continue.
Аминь, у сироты нет никого и на свете. Ночь качала, да я детей, день коров доила.
It is sounding very goosebumpy. Beautiful.
Ночь качала, да я детей, день коров доила. Подаишь, да я коров, в хоровод ходила.
Very beautiful.
В хороводе, да я была, весела и гуляла. Хороша, да я да хороша, ай, плохая детка.
Her singing style is very cute.
Хороша, да я да хороша, ай, плохая детка. Никто замуж не берет, и меня из-за
Very
этого.
beautiful. Very beautiful. Her singing style is very cute. Her appearance is very cute. This must be a very cute song, my friends. Unfortunately, I can't understand. I forget to check the description. Sometimes Alisa shares the lyrics in the comments, in the pinned comments. I forget to check them. I just directly click to the video. I can't understand, but it is sounding very cute. This must be a very cute song, but the music is sounding very cool. Very cool music, goosebumping music with a cute song, cute singing style, cute Alisa. It is a very interesting combination, and it is sounding so lovely, so beautiful. I am happy to listen this song. Let's continue.
Никто замуж не берет, и меня из-за этого. Пойду вскоре в монастырь, Богу и помолюсь.
Beautiful.
Пойду вскоре в монастырь.
Very beautiful song.
В зеленом саду пташечка пропела, и ты, пташки, есть гнездо, есть у ней дети.
This is so cool. You are amazing, Alisa. You are amazing. Very beautiful. I love this arrangement. I'm sure that this is different from the original version. This arrangement is sounding so beautiful. This arrangement is so cool. I love this song. I love the arrangement. I love the music. I always loved Alisa. It is not surprising for you. I always love her. But this song, this video is so beautiful, my friends. Very lovely and very cute. Little Bird. The name of the song is very cute, first of all. Russian folk song. Let's read what Alisa shared here. Yes, she shared the English lyrics. A little bird was singing in a garden, green garden. This bird has its nest, has children. This bird has its nest, has children. But I, orphan. Oh, okay. But I, an orphan, have nobody in the world. Oh, this is sad. This is sad. I was thinking that this is gonna be a cute song, but this is sad. But I, an orphan, have nobody in the world. In the night I dandle children. In the day I milk cows. In the night I dandle children. In the day I milk cows. After milking of cows I dance round dance. Okay. Among round dances I was a cherry girl. I'm a nice girl. Very nice. But had cheap clothes. Oh no. This is so sad. Nobody wanted. Oh no, this is so sad. This is very surprising for me. I wasn't expecting this kind of lyrics. What an interesting lyrics. I mean that very sad lyrics, but it was very surprising. I was thinking that this is gonna be very cute lyrics. Oh, nobody wanted to marry me because of it. This is so sad. Come on. Because of sadness, I'll go to a monastery, will pray to God. I will burst into tears near to the holy icons. Oh no. Will the God present me, will make me happy? Will a handsome young guy marry me? A little bird was singing in a green garden. This bird has its nest. Oh, this is very surprising. I wasn't expecting this kind of lyrics. I was thinking that very cute song. when I listened to the song, I was imagining that a bird flying in the sky, a bird freedom, like this kind of lyrics. Wow, the lyrics are very surprising, very unexpected. Thank you, Alisa Supronova, for this beautiful video, beautiful performance. I love it every second. Very cute video, very cute singing style, but very sad song. Very sad. Thank you, Elena, for this beautiful suggestion. I really loved the song. Thank you, my friends, for watching it together with me. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.